Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you guys can upload pictures to your Shopify store, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the products page, and you can upload pictures through this here page as well. If you go, for example, into one of your products that doesn't have an image, you can click here to upload a new image, video, or 3D model into the media section, and then that's going to display for this product. Now, that's for products specifically. If you want to do it in general, you can go into content and go into files, and then you can click upload files in the top right, or you can upload it from a URL if you're using an image hosting site. But yeah, just click on upload files and select the image file from your PC or from your device, and then just upload it, and it'll be uploaded into the files, and then they'll be able to be used in any other aspects as well. Now you can do that, or if you want to upload pictures to your pages on Shopify, you can do that as well. If I go into online store and go into themes, I can then customize my default theme, which is currently the Dawn theme. Click on customize, and then we can add images here. Now, the way you do this is you need to click on add a section under the template segment, and once you click on add a section, you will then see an image banner or image with text. You can select whichever one of these you want. I'll use, for example, image with text. And now that we have this, you can go ahead, click here, and select an image to upload from your device as well, or you can set up a dynamic source which will be used to link to your picture. Now, once you have that, you can then customize the text if you want. As far as I'm aware, there is no way to add just a simple image, or at least I can't see it. You can also add slideshows, by the way. That is also useful for images. But yeah, you're pretty much limited to those three options. Now, you can also do another thing, and that is if you go into theme settings, you can then go into logo and select an image to upload for a logo or for the fav icon, depending on what you want. And those are pretty much all the ways that you can upload images to your Shopify store. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.